And she's like, I said, call.
All right, Attorney Crapo.
Yes, sorry, one moment. I'm having trouble with my audio.
It's okay. You need me to skip over for a second, or you good?
I'm having trouble hearing. Just give me one moment.
Okay, I'm gonna do, McDermott.
Oh.
And then we'll get right back to you, okay?
Okay, I can hear now, but yeah, that's perfect.
You good, or you want me to come over back? Your choice.
No, I'm good. I'm good. I'm ready now. Sorry, apologies. I don't know what happened.
It's okay. Now calling the Madam Court Reporter, let me make sure you're ready. Are you ready this
Yes.
morning, Ms. Evans? Thank
Good
you.
morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Now calling the matter of the people versus Clifford Wilson. This is ticket SP 103-74261. This is one count drove while license not valid or improper license. May I have your opinions for the record, please, counsel?
Good morning, Your Honor. Caitlin Crapo, P86272. I'm standing in for Attorney Muhammad Nasser, the attorney of record, on behalf of Mr. Wilson. I would just like to waive presence or request to waive presence this morning. We have been in contact, but I do believe he is working and he's not here. So.
All right, this time the court is going to allow you to waive his presence at this point in time, specifically for this hearing, with the allegations or the alleging that you have been in contact with him. How are we proceeding, counsel?
We would just like to set this date for a trial date, if that would be all right, Your Honor.
That's fine. It's going to be a jury trial or a bench trial?
I believe a bench trial. There has been an offer made by the prosecution, and we're just working on that.
Okay, I'll set it for a bench trial date then on the date of September 11th. September 2023 at 9 a.m. I'll set your bond. I'll continue his bond at this time, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're very welcome. All right, ma'am. If there's nothing further, make sure he shows up. I won't you can't have a trial on his next court date. Okay?
Absolutely. I'll make sure.
All right, make sure he's here at 9 a.m. on September 11th, okay?
Awesome, I will. Thank you, Your Honor. And thank you, Madam Clerk.
You're welcome. All right, have a good rest of your day, okay?
You too.
I will, thank you. Mr. McDermott?
Ready, Judge.
And your client's not coming, right? It's a civil infraction.
I believe he's here, Judge. But
Oh,
this,
is it?
I believe
Okay.
this is only set for a hearing today, not a formal. So I guess.
Yeah, okay, let me bring him out then and let him know.
Yes, ma'am. Did you speak with the attorney already? Yes, ma'am. Okay, you can just place yourself back on mute, ma'am. Okay, thank you.
All right, Mr. Washington, I'm gonna put you in the waiting room until I'm ready to talk to you.
Copy.
Thank you. All right, I can't get your client.
Judge, I can let him know after the fact. That's fine.
Okay, cool. All right, now calling the matter of the people versus Talib Wabihi. This is ticket number SP 1439628. This is one count of stop street or intersection failed to stop. May I have your appearance for the record, please, counsel?
Sean McDermott, P46101 on behalf of Mr. Webby.
All right, Mr. Webby, I do see is online. He's in one of my breakout rooms. I can't seem to get him out, but this is a civil infraction. So today's the date time set for a hearing. It's my understanding you want to have a formal hearing in this matter, sir?
Yeah, I was not able to reach a resolution with the prosecutor due to the failure of the procedure. So we are requesting a formal hearing. So
My formal hearings are far out. Are you trying to resolve this sooner?
I am, but I don't see there's any other way to do it without.
I know, listen, I'm all like, September is my date, but if it's just a civil infraction, August 16th, I can try and put you in. Is that a little better?
That's fine. Yeah, that's fine, Judge.
All right, I know, I try and get them, I know it won't take that long for a civil infraction, so I'm doing August 16th, 2023. It's gonna be at 9 a.m. via Zoom. Your client can come or they can have to come, it's up to you, okay?
I'll let him know, Judge.
All right, thank you. If there's no, does that work for your calendar? I should have asked that first. You good?
It does, Judge.
Okay, all right, so have a great day.
Yep, take care.
You too, bye.
Good morning,
Attorney
Judge.
Potts, how may I help you today?
Judge, did police officer Willie Robinson come back yet?
He did not. Let me see if we can get in contact with him though. I felt like you were still waiting to talk to him.
Okay, great. Or we can hold a trial right now.
No, we cannot. I'll make Ms. Porterfield come on and defend herself.
All right. Let's see if we can get him back in here.
He actually did leave.
Is what? In the waiting room? Hold on a
No,
minute.
I said he actually did leave the room.
All right, let me see. You gotta be in another courtroom right now, Attorney Potts, or you just wanted to get off?
No, I'm in like 3 other courtrooms right now.
All right, let me see. Let me put an AVP out on him and see if I can find him. One second.
Are you done? You don't have anything else right now? You don't have Westview?
Mr. Williams, did you talk to the attorney already?
No, actually, I got booted out, so I was just still waiting. I had to get back in and have me waiting.
Okay, I had you waiting because I thought that you had spoken with him because you had come in. Let me get you back in the breakout room.
Okay.
Do you remember what room you were in? Go in the breakout room for me, please. Saying Wortham?
Yes, good morning.
Ma'am, good morning. Did you talk to an attorney already?
Yes, I did.
Okay, I'll put you back in the waiting room. Let me know what's right. Mr. Williams, I'm gonna put you into a waiting room until it's time for you to talk to the attorney, okay?
Okay,
I mean, until it's time for you to talk to me. I apologize. You spoke with
Okay.
the attorney, so until
Yeah.
it's time for you to talk to me,
okay.
okay? Let me figure out how to do it first.
Not yet, but. Mhm. 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 That was off. I had checked it. Do it right to the meeting.
Happy birthday, but, you know.
Judge, I had to hop on a settlement conference in circuit court just in case comes back.
Okay, just put yourself, if you need to sign off and sign back on, I understand, but just do what you
No, I'm
need
gonna just
to
hop
do.
on another device.
Okay, cool. Ms. Watkins, you spoke with the attorney?
Yes, Your
Okay.
Honor. Yes, Your
I'm
Honor.
gonna put you- Okay, I'm gonna put you into the waiting room until I'm ready for you, okay? Hello, Attorney Werveling.
Good morning, Your Honor. How are you?
I'm good, and you? How are you doing?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking.
Good. Your client is here and the officer did check in. The officers
Okay.
are different, but they checked in. He's in room number 35, so I'll put you in 35.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Attorney Wallace, you talk to everybody?
I made it up to 30. I don't, are there more?
Absolutely. 32, 34, 36. I know, we had a ton of people check in today.
All right, 32. Let me see what I got.
Yes, Mr. Wells, I see your hand is up. Hello?
I don't know. I was making sure I wasn't supposed to left out of there or nothing. I didn't know what was going on.
Well, you talked to an attorney already?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Good morning. I'm back, Judge. Any sighting of Officer Robinson?
I don't have them yet. Hold on a minute, it's gonna echo. I'm trying to get people out breakout room.
Okay. Was he planning to come back? Like,
He's coming back. I was about to say, he did say he was coming back. Now, I don't know how many people need him this morning. And let me try and find Alexa. Alexa has his number, I'm sure. Can you get Alexa? And then Alexa will have his
okay.
number. Yes.
So watch it.
What are we doing with the trial for Miss for Miss Washington today?
We're pleading that out.
Okay, you got the offer already?
I do.
Let me put you into the weight room, sir. By the time you come back, you need to have that do-rag on your head for me, okay?
Let me add, Hayward, check it to.
Yes, ma'am.
Am I on screen?
iPhone, what's your name? Hello? All right. Now calling the matters of the people versus Dorothy Washington. This is ticket number 516791. Oh, that's civil infraction. I apologize, scratch that one. Ticket number SP 1039-103. Count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 1044-233. 1 count allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Ticket number SP 1046-947. Count 1, driver's license expired. Ticket number SP 1057-115. 1 count drove while license suspended. Okay. Ticket number SP 106664. Count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 1088158. Count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, drive a registered untitled vehicle. Ticket number SP 1156629. Count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license. Count 3, no proof, nope. Just count 1 on that ticket. Ticket number SP 11744242. Count 1, drove unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 2, drive while license suspended. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 11911027. Count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Ticket number SP 11943031. Drove while license not valid or license suspended. Or license improper, I apologize. Ticket number SP 1200416. Count 1, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 2, failed to display. Ticket number 457377. Count 1, no operator's license on person. Ticket number 454240. Count 1, no operator's license on person. Ticket 516793. Drove while license not valid. Count 1. Count 2, open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver. I know that's not that. Ticket number SP 1191072. Nope, not that ticket, sorry. Ticket number SP 1190114. Not that ticket. Sorry, you got civil infractions. I'm trying to cipher through which ones are civil infractions and which ones are misdemeanors. Ticket number 215167932. Count 1, open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver. That might be actually the same ticket I just called. Let me see.
Yeah.
All right, and ticket number SP 1039102. Nope, not that ticket either. Appearances for the record, starting with council, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to your staff. Ted Wallace, P80922, on behalf of Ms. Washington, who is present via Zoom. Ms. Washington, please state your name for the record. Washington, I'm sorry. Is that what it
Ms.
says?
Washington?
Yeah.
Ms. Dorothy Washington?
Washington.
How are we proceeding, council?
Your Honor, I've received an offer from the city attorney, and I've spoken with my client, and she'd like to go forward with that offer. I would, with one caveat, if she'd be allowed to plead no contest due to lack of memory. And the offer is as stands. Let me see. It was for her to plead to the count of open driver, and then 2 counts of improper plates and 2 counts of failure to display, with the dismissal of the 17 remaining counts.
All right. So 1 count is gonna be pleading to open alcohol and motor vehicle driver. This is gonna be pleading to 2 counts of improper plates and 2 counts of fail to display. Is that my understanding?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. She needs to plead to these. For lack of memory.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Ma'am, if you would raise your right hand for me, please. Ms. Washington,
Oh, God.
do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
All right, you can put your hand down. Ma'am, did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for this plea today?
No, ma'am.
All right, ma'am, you understand this is going to be a no contest plea. What that means is that it's going to be treated just like a regular plea, but because you cannot make factual basis on these matters per your attorney, for lack of memory, but it's going to enter into this court as a regular plea. You understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand with this no contest plea that you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench trial? I do have several officers here. Officer, I forgot to state their names beforehand, but I have Officer K. Smith from the Detroit Police Department, Detective Valja from the Detroit Police Department, Police Officer Jenkins from the Detroit Police Department, as well as Officer McCree did sign in as well for these matters. You understand they were all here today for this bench trial if you wanted to have it, right, Ms. Washington?
Yes.
All right. And you understand that the no contest plea will be treated just like a guilty plea for these matters. You understand that, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'm gonna read into the document for today, starting with ticket number SP 10666624, that on the date of, let's see, February 14th of 2020 in the area of Park and Bagley Streets in the city of Detroit, Ms. Washington was driving a Chrysler vehicle and did fail to display a valid operator's license, as well as had no car insurance on it at the time. Also on the date of November 5th of 2019 in the area of Van Dyke and Royalton, Rolyat in the city of Detroit, Ms. Washington was driving a Chrysler vehicle and she drove while her license was not valid, as well as she had no car insurance on it. And then reading from the ticket that on the date, ticket number 516793, that on the date of September 23rd of 2021 in the area of Lafayette and Shane in the city of Detroit, Ms. Washington was driving a vehicle and she had open alcohol in the motor vehicle driver. Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
So stipulated.
All right, so at this time, the court's gonna enter a plea to the amended count of improper plates, 2 counts of improper plates, 2 counts of fail to display amended, and open alcohol in a motor vehicle will be as charged. Ms. Washington, these are all your tickets, okay? All the misdemeanor tickets. You already know about your civil infraction tickets, right?
Yes.
Okay, all right. I am gonna do a fine today because open alcohol in a motor vehicle can be dangerous, okay? But that's the only one I'm gonna fine you on. The rest of them, I know you gotta pay.
Okay.
You still been paying on these tickets.
Mhm.
And so you still gotta make some payments on the rest of the tickets. My opening tax fine is $300. I'm going to give you 90 days to get this as a part of the, you're on a payment plan, right?
Yes, ma'am.
To get this as a part of the payment plan, okay, 90 days. And then, so that should give you plenty of time by 8/30/23 to have this as a part of that plan, so you can pay off the rest of the tickets, okay? I'll set the
Okay.
rest of them at $0. You may have some reinstatement fees. I know you've been working through those too. Keep working, Ms. Washington. That's the only way that you're gonna be able to get through all of this, okay?
Okay.
All right, there's nothing further. Thank you. Officers, please stay safe out there.
Thank you, Your Honor. You have a wonderful day.
You too. Thank you. Thank y'all.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Thank you. All right. Did we ever get back to the color or no?
Like,
Mhm.
either.
All right. I'll just start going down the list of people I have in the waiting room. Zane Wortham. Zane Wortham?
Yes.
All right, turn on your camera for me, please. All right, now calling the matter of people versus Zane Wortham. This is
It's
ticket number.
Janae.
Janae, oh, okay. Janae, okay. Ticket number SP 1294785, count one, failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Count two, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count three, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Ted Wallace on behalf of Ms. Wortham. Ms. Wortham, please state your name for the record.
Janae Wortham.
Your Honor, Ms. Wortham would like another date to come back in order to get her documents together, and I also would like to make sure that the court has a proper address for her because I believe she had missed some notices because of a change address.
All right, so at this time, the court's gonna enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. I'll set her bond at $0 personal. I'll set this matter for August 16th, ma'am, August 16th at 8:30 a.m. When we get off this call, call the courtroom so we can get your most recent up-to-date address. Are you ready to take the number?
Give me 1 second. Thank you so much. That will give me enough time to definitely get all of that in order.
Absolutely,
I
ma'am.
have my driver's license. I didn't have it on me at that moment because I had just got my driver's license. Only had the temporary paper. I was waiting on it to come in the mail, but I do have my driver's license.
Fantastic. Just bring everything back at the next court hearing, okay?
Okay.
Okay, you ready for the phone number?
I'm sorry. I'm looking for it. And I'm getting it. Give me 1 second. Looking for it.
Okay.
Okay, I'm ready.
313
Uh-huh.
965
Okay.
2293.
Okay. I got it.
All right. All right, call us so that we can update your address. I don't want you to, it's on YouTube, so I don't want you to put your information out here on YouTube, okay?
Okay. Thank you so much.
No problem. All right, give us a call, okay?
Okay. Thank you. You have a good one.
You too, thank you.
Thank you.
Jocelyn Wilson?
Yes.
All right. I'm calling the matter of the people versus Jocelyn Monique Wilson. Sorry, Wilson is the last name. Ticket number SP 1269771. Count one, drove while license suspended. Count two, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count three, improper plates. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman, P55052, on behalf of the defendant. Ma'am, Ms. Wilson, please state your name.
Jocelyn Wilson.
Thank you. As to arraignment, please, we will waive any formal reading of the information or complaint and stand mute. Ask that a bench warrant be set aside as the defendant appears here by way of Zoom.
All right, at this time, the court's going to set aside any warrants that may be out there on behalf of your client. I'm going to enter a plea of not guilty. How are we proceeding, counsel?
Judge, the defendant's been advised. She knows she has a right to a trial in these matters. She's going to waive that right as well as those rights attendant to trial. In order to resolve this matter, there is a recommendation that if she pled guilty to one count of failure to display, that the balance of the incident matters would be dismissed here. She's ready to make a factual basis.
All right, ma'am, if that's the case, please raise your right hand.
Yeah.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you? force you or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, that you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yes.
Now you gotta speak clearly, okay? You gotta do the best, okay? Understanding all of this, do you still want to move forward, Miss Wilson?
Can you repeat that for me?
Yes, understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward, Miss Wilson?
Yes.
All right, I want to take your attention back to the date of October 29th of 2021, ma'am, were you driving a Honda vehicle in the area of East Auto Drive and Gratiot in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And while you're driving that vehicle, was your license suspended at the time?
I didn't know that your license could be suspended if you didn't have license. So I wasn't aware of that.
Yes. So if you don't have proof of insurance, it automatically, and you have a ticket and you don't pay it, automatically suspends your license.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Okay.
And
And
it
I
was
can
my,
see the ticket that you had. So your license was suspended on that day.
Okay.
I know you may not have known, but this is one of those tickets where you have to have knowledge. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Satisfied, counsel?
Thank you.
Satisfied, as well as their stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed.
So stipulated, Your Honor. Thank you.
So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the amended charge of fail to display. I'm going to dismiss the remaining 2 counts on this record, called on this record today. Ms. Wilson, yes, go ahead, counsel.
I'm sorry, there are 3 counts to be dismissed.
Oh, it's 3 counts?
Yes.
I only have 2, but I'm amending the 1 count though, right? Or am I dismissing all of them?
That's correct. I have 3 I have a total of 4 counts. The plea is to.
You have 4 counts, you said?
2. I have 711.
Oh, you do. You have an extra count on the tab. Yeah, your audio is messing up, Attorney Kaufman.
Okay. I have 771, 1, 2, and 3. And I have 2821.
Yeah. Okay. Now calling ticket number SP 8292821. That's 1 count driver's license never acquired. Counsel, please state your name for the record once again.
Harry Bachman for the defendant. Ma'am, Miss Wilson, please state your name.
Jocelyn Wilson.
All right, that's gonna be a part of that plea.
Thank
you. That won't start on it. I'm going to dismiss that as a part of the plea today.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Ms. Wilson, you have some civil infractions that are in default. One of them is a no proof of insurance. Your license will get suspended again if you don't pay that ticket. So I'm gonna just make sure she pays the cost and fines on the 3 tickets she has in default right now. I'm not gonna assess her any more money. Ms. Wilson, you have a ticket that will suspend your license. You need to pay it, okay?
What ticket is it?
It's ticket number SP 12696543.
How much is
no proof of insurance.
How much is it?
Right now it's $288. You have other ones too, though, that you need to pay. Looks like you owe us about $1,000, so that's why I'm not charging you any additional money today.
Okay, I could try because I don't get paid until the 8th. I can I just recently got a new job, and I could put down, like I could put some money down on the 8th.
Yep. Come down here and talk to them so you can try and figure it out. They'll help you down on the first floor, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so just come in here and talk to them. I just want you to be aware because I don't want you to get in trouble, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, if there's nothing further, you're all set, ma'am. Okay. You can log off, just hang up the phone, okay?
Okay, have a good day.
You too, thank you. Officer Mitchell?
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, what case are you on?
I'm here for LaShawn Winfield.
Oh, yes, he checked in. Can you go to room number 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll talk to the city attorney in that room. He's here and so is his client, the attorney, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, thank you. There we go, officer. All right, I'm bringing O'Shea Wiley.
We get you back in the house, Tracy, when he's not back.
You're welcome. O'Shea Wiley? Unmute yourself for me, okay, sir?
Yes.
Now calling the matter of People versus O'Shea Wiley. This is ticket number SP 11519-041. One count, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Ted Wallace, P80922, on behalf of Mr. Wiley, who is present by Zoom. Mr. Wiley, please state your name.
O'Shea Wiley.
Your Honor, I have seen Mr. Wiley's documents of this proof of insurance, and after talking to the assistant city attorney, I would move to dismiss.
All right. Seeing that he now has valid documents, the court is going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss this without prejudice. Mr. Wiley, now you see how important it is to have your stuff up to date and valid, right? So you don't have to come sit in court.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, there's nothing further. You're all set. Have a good day, Mr. Wiley.
You do the same.
Thank you.
I will, thank you. I'm bringing in Tracy Williams. Mr. Williams, unmute yourself. You see it? There you go. Now calling the matter of People versus Tracy Aaron Williams. This is ticket SP 858184. Count 1, driver's license never acquired. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Baughman for the defendant. Sir, state your name.
Tracy Williams.
Good morning, sir. We are here for pretrial judge. The defendant presents today with a valid and current driver's license and insurance. So would you please dismiss these cases? I would stipulate to probable cause and thank the prosecutor and the court.
All right, being that he now has valid documents, the court is going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. Mr. Williams, make sure you always keep everything up to date, valid, and in your vehicle, okay?
Okay,
All right, there's nothing further. You're all set, okay?
thank you.
You're welcome.
All right.
All right, bye-bye. I have Donelda Williams.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, one second. All right, now calling the matter of the People versus Donelda Williams. This is ticket SP 1412914. I don't know if both counts made it, but count 1 is insufficient or defective lights. Count 2 is no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Morning, Harry Baughman for the defendant. Ma'am, state your name for the record.
Donelda Williams.
Thank you, and good morning, Ms. Williams. Judge,
Good morning.
defendant. Good morning. Defendant is here for a pretrial, and she brought in her insurance. That should be a part of the file. Secure Auto Agency, and will not expire until July 5th of this year. And it's in her name, and it's to a 2020 Chevy, finding that document to be valid and current. And the defendant also brought a picture of the repaired condition and that she is in compliance. Would you dismiss these cases today? And I would stipulate to probable cause for the recommendation. Thank you.
All right, at this time, being an officer of the court having seen valid documents, the court's going to grant your request. We're going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. Ma'am, make sure you always keep everything valid, up to date, and in your vehicle, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, if there's nothing further, you're all set, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Lane Woodland. Mr. Woodland? Mr. Woodland? Richard Winfrey? All right, Mr. Winfrey?
Your Honor, I tried talking to Mr. Winfrey and I couldn't get him to respond. I don't know. I don't know if it was something was wrong with one of our equipment. Can you hear me now, Mr. Winfrey?
I can hear you fine. I didn't have anyone come onto the meeting room with me trying to say anything until now.
Okay. Yeah, I tried earlier and for whatever reason I couldn't talk to him. So I would have to talk to him again or go into another breakout room with him.
Okay, all right. Let me put him into breakout room number 2.
Okay.
All right, find him. Here we go, number 2.
So am I? Yep, okay.
Go to number 2, so he can talk to you. All right. You ready, Attorney Potts, about your case? Attorney Warberline, are you ready on yours?
No, Judge, somehow I was in the breakout room and then I got disconnected. So I forgot who your city prosecutor is.
All right, she's here. I was trying to have her talk to you. I'm gonna put you in breakout room number 1 so you can talk to her, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. And the officer is in there too, so perfect.
Okay, great. Thanks.
Go ahead. Attorney Potts? All right, Mr. Woodland, Attorney Baughman, is this your person, Mr. Woodland?
Yes.
Ready?
Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Blaine Cow Woodland. This is ticket number 251577. Count 1, no operator's license in possession. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number 422014. Count 1, improper plates. Count 2, drive unregistered untitled motor vehicle. Count 3, drove while license suspended. Ticket number SP 1237684. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Baughman for the defendant. Sir, state your name for the record.
Blaine Woodland.
Thank you, Your Honor. We will thank the court for its formal reading, waive any more formal reading of the information or complaint, stand mute for arraignment purposes, and ask that any warrants be set aside as the defendant appears here today by Zoom.
All right, at this time, the court's going to enter a plea of not guilty on behalf of your client, enter and set aside any warrants that are currently out here. How will we proceed?
Judge, the defendant's been advised he knows he has a right to a trial as well as those rights attendant to trial. We went over them together. He's going to waive those here and now. He's going to make a factual basis and plead guilty there's a recommendation whereby he will plead guilty to 1 count of failure to display, Your Honor, and 2 counts of improper plates. The balance of the cases will be dismissed here, and I stipulate the probable cause for that. Thank you.
All right. If that's the case, sir, you want to take advantage of that, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can put your hand down. Sir, did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you,
No.
or promise you anything in exchange for a plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice, sir?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, that you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, sir. I want to take you back first to the date of August 17th of 2021. Were you in the area of McNichols and Evergreen in the city of Detroit driving a Chevy vehicle at that time?
Yes.
Was your license suspended, sir?
Yes.
Did it also not have any car insurance on it at the time?
Yes.
Then, sir, I want to bring your attention back to the date of September the 22nd of 2017. Sir, at that time, were you driving a Buick vehicle in the area of Wyoming and James Cousins in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And while you're driving that vehicle, did you have improper plates on it at the time?
Yes.
All right, satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied. Thank you.
All right, stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated. Thank you.
You're welcome. So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the amended charge of failed to display, amended charge of improper plates, and a regular charge of improper plates. The remaining counts will be dismissed. Sir, my fine on ticket ending in 684 is going to be $200 per ticket on that one. So that's a total of $400. I'm going to waive the other ticket costs. You may have some reinstatement fees. You need to pay all of those, sir. I don't waive those. Okay. How long do you need to pay that $400? 60 or 90 days?
60.
Okay. All right. So that brings us to July 31st. Okay.
Yes.
All right. There's nothing further. You're all set, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
I will. Thank you. Attorney Werbeling.
Judge, was there anything I could speak with my client in a breakout room real quick?
Absolutely.
I think we have a resolution.
I understand.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Judge.
He is at, number 35. I'll put you back here.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Attorney Cox. I know you had to jump to another courtroom.
No, I came back since then, Judge. And I talked to Madam Prosecutor. I think she sent a text to Officer Robinson. I just don't know where he is. At this point, I'm going to say he's not coming back. In my estimation.
All right, give him 3 more minutes. Then that's it. I'll call.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Attorney Kaufman, do you have William Wheeler?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, let me call that. Mr. Wheeler?
Yes.
Okay. Now.
Uh-huh.
1 second, sir. I gotta find you file.
Okay.
Now calling the matter of the people versus William Wheeler. This is ticket number SP 1399295. One count drove unregistered, untitled vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry
Counsel.
Baughman. For the defendant, sir, Mr. Wheeler, please state your name for the record.
William Wheeler.
Judge, this matter is here for pretrial. The defendant and I haven't had an opportunity to discuss his rights, which he is going to waive here today in order to plead guilty. There's a recommendation that if he pleads to the improper plate, a 0-point offense, that the other count will be dismissed here. He's ready to do that. Thanks.
All right. Mr. Wheeler, you weren't able to get insurance?
I'm on a fixed income, and the insurance is very, very high. So I don't do driving at all now. I have someone come pick me up.
Okay. Please raise your right hand for me, sir. Do you swear
Okay.
or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes,
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
yes, I just talked to an attorney today.
All right. Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes,
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
yes,
Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
yes,
Understanding all of this, did you still need to move forward today?
yes,
All right, I want to take your attention, sir, back to the date of October the 18th of 2022. Sir, were you driving at that time a Ford vehicle in the area of Livernois and Ewald Circle in the city of Detroit?
yes.
And while you're driving that vehicle, at that point in time, had you not registered that vehicle?
Vehicle was registered. I have
know.
a plate.
I know.
I
So here's
just
the-
didn't have insurance.
I know. So the insurance ticket is, you're pleading to an improper plate because you didn't have the insurance on the vehicle at that time. Does that help you out a little bit, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
So even if you have a plate on your car when you don't have insurance, it makes it improper.
Okay.
Okay? Satisfied, counsel?
I am satisfied. Thank you, Your Honor.
Right. Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining count to be dismissed.
So stipulated.
So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the amended charge of improper plates. I'm going to dismiss the no proof of insurance. Sir, the fine is $0, but that's because you need to pay that no proof of insurance ticket. As far as the reinstatement fee, okay, it's no cost to it because I'm going to dismiss it, but the reinstatement fee is going to be there. In order for your license to stay valid, you got to pay that. That's $45 typically, okay?
So do I come down to 36th District and pay it?
Yep, you can pay it on the first floor at 36th District, okay?
Okay.
All right, there's nothing further. You're all set, okay?
All right. Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. All right. I mean, he checked in. I don't know what to do. I can't.
I understand he checked in, Judge, but it's now 11 o'clock and he has not returned. Prosecutor Schneider has reached out to him and I do not believe he responded. At this point, I would like to make a motion to dismiss. I mean, it is
Let me
dismissal.
call. Let me call him. Now calling the matter of the people versus Jessica Warfield. This is ticket number SP 145722061. This is one count of speeding, 16 to 20 miles over posted speed. May I have your appearance for the record, please?
For the record, Your Honor, Coleman Potts, P7607, on behalf of Ms. Warfield. Your Honor, today, the time set for formal hearing. It is my understanding that P.L. Robeson was here around 9 a.m. He has not returned. I know Madam Prosecutor did reach out to him, and I believe he answered back. And at this time, I'll move for this matter to be dismissed. It is now 11 o'clock, 11:04.
I'm also looking at when this ticket was issued, and it's less than a month's time that we got this hearing date. That's amazing.
Yeah, it's crazy.
All right, the time is now 11:07 a.m. I'm not gonna dismiss it because it's failed to appear. I'm gonna dismiss it just because we can't seem to find him at this point in time. We have been reaching out for him at this point, so I don't know if they can reissue civil infractions, but right now, I will dismiss it without prejudice.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, if there's nothing further, you're all set.
Thank you, Judge. Have a good one.
You too, thank you. Corporal Haywood, and then I got you, Attorney Werbeling. We ready?
Ready, Judge.
Good morning, Your
I'm
Honor.
ready when you are. Thanks, Judge.
Right. Good morning, Corporal. Who are you here on?
Just checking back in. I have Dorothy Washington.
Okay, we took care of her matter, so you're all set.
Okay, all right.
She pled to 1 count open alcohol in a motor vehicle, 2 counts of improper plates, and 2 counts of fail to display.
Oh, okay. All right.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, ton of tickets. We got lots of them.
Oh, that's what I was saying. I didn't know she had other tickets. So okay.
She had lots of. We trying to work with her. She's trying to get a license back.
Okay, that'll work.
All right. Thank you, Corporal. You have a good day.
You too, Your Honor.
All right. Where were they stay? Here's Corporal 3. Be quiet. I know. Where were they all stay? Were they all coming out? I'm trying to get your client out, Mr.
I'll give him a call, Judge. See what's going on.
I'll go in there and get.
Corporal McCree.
Thanks, Mr. Boffman.
Good morning, Judge. Good morning. We took care of Miss Washington. She ended up taking a plea for 1 count open alcohol, 2 counts improper plates, 2 counts failed to display.
Thank you so much.
You're so welcome. All right. Thank you, Corporal McCree. Be safe out there.
Okay.
All right. All right. Mr. Winfield? Thank
Yes.
you, Attorney Hoffman.
Thank you, Mr.
You're welcome.
Boffman.
You're welcome.
All right, now calling the matter. Other people versus LaShawn Winfield. This is ticket number 476335, 1 count, no operator's license on person. Also calling ticket number SP 1240431, count 1, drove while license, 2, reckless driving. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ben Werbling, P64889 on behalf of Mr. Winfield. Mr. Winfield, could you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, my name is LaShawn Winfield.
And Judge, this is the date and time set for a bench trial. The issuing officer is present or did check in on the reckless driving. However, we did reach a resolution that Mr. Winfield's aware of, Your Honor. I believe all 3 original cases would be dismissed and he would be pleading to an amended charge of drag racing.
Okay. All right, so you want to take advantage of that offer?
Yes.
All right, if so, please raise your right hand for me. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, put your hand down, sir. Mr. Winfield, did you have a chance to talk to your attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Do you understand, did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, that you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or jury trial in these matters. You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, sir. I want to take your attention back to the date on or about August 22nd of 2021. At that time, were you driving a vehicle? In the area of Chandler Park and Alta Road in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
And while you were driving that car, it looks like, was it a BMW?
A Benz.
Yes, okay, I want to see. They put some initials on here that I wasn't familiar with, sir. And while you were driving that vehicle, were you driving it in a reckless manner?
Yes.
All right, satisfied, counsel?
I am, Judge.
All right, and the stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed.
Yes, Your Honor.
So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the amended charge of drag racing, sir, drag racing. At this point in time, the remaining 2 counts will be dismissed. Now I see what you were doing because I can read the ticket. Don't stop doing that. That is so annoying. Let me tell you, when I'm stopped at a stoplight and somebody, and these are allegations, but you play it now, and someone goes around and they're going really fast, I get so nervous because I don't want to see an accident in front of me and I don't want people to get hurt. So you got to correct that behavior, okay, Mr. Winfield?
Yes, but it was more to that. It was like it was late at night and like they were already following me and they didn't pull me over. So like it's a lot of stuff going on in that neighborhood. So I act like I was gonna turn, but I just kept going through the light because I didn't know who they were. But when they pulled me over, I was satisfied with the ticket. I just was like, okay.
I understand. Okay, so you thought about it makes sense. It makes sense, but I'm all like, dude, like, you know what I mean? If somebody going fast and you think they follow me because they probably were an undercover car, I get it. And now you like, who following me? And you get nervous.
And he's in a Mercedes.
Yeah, and that's why we gotta be mindful of our surroundings at all times, right, Mr. Winfield? And I get that you were trying to be, but hey, if you're not feeling it with that type of vehicle in the city, hey, don't be there late at night like this.
That's why I'm at home now.
All right, okay. All right. My fine for this ticket. My fine for this ticket is $300. So
okay.
How long would that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
30 days.
Okay. All right, you shaking your head. I'm gonna give you 200 because you were so honest. Okay, 200.
Thank you, Judge. Thank you.
All right, $200, and I'll give it due no later than June 30th, 2023. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
You're very welcome. Thank you, Mr. Winfield. I understand, but we gotta make sure. Okay.
Okay.
All right. You have a good day.
You too. Thank you, Judge. Have a great day.
Bye, Attorney Beverly.
Bye now. Thank you to you and your staff.
All right. Thank you. Trying to get to your next person. Was Brittany Williams yours?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm bringing her in. Brittany Williams?
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matters of the people versus Brittany Williams. This is ticket number 751534. This is 1 count, no operator's license on person. Also calling ticket number 751533. Count 1, disregard signal red or amber. Count 2, failed to produce evidence of insurance. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Morning, Harry Bachman. For the defendant, would you state your name, ma'am?
Brittany Williams.
Thank you. Your Honor, the defendant is here for a pretrial. She did, to her credit, complete better drivers. So the offer here is for blockading to the disregard to red signal. She's gonna plead guilty and she's been advised, she's waiving rights to plead guilty here today. Thank you.
All right. Ma'am, is that how you want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, council, we stipulate to the four corners of the ticket to establish a factual basis?
Yes, I stipulate to that ticket. And I also stipulate to probable cause to the matters being dismissed. Thank you.
I appreciate you, counsel. So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the amended charge of blockading. The remaining counts are going to be dismissed today. Ma'am, the fine for blockading is $175. Typically, you have 14 days to pay civil infractions. Is that going to be enough time for you?
Yes.
All right, ma'am. It's going to be due no later than June 13th of 2023, okay?
Okay.
All right, there's nothing further. You're all set.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Okay, look here.
My man ain't right. Take something that might be-
Jermaine Whitaker.
Yes, can you hear me?
Hey, take-
All right, Mr. Whitaker, can you turn your light on, camera on, please?
Turn it on now. Can you see me?
I can't. Mr. Whitaker, is that something that you were aware if you came down to court in the morning?
No, ma'am.
You think you might need to put a shirt on real quick for me?
Yes, I got you.
Okay, thank you. Do that, and I'll call you in a moment, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna leave you out here though, okay, so that I know you're ready, okay? I'm gonna call
Okay.
Miss Wade now. Come right back to Mr. Whitaker when he's ready. Miss Wade, Chanel Wade,
Yes, I'm available.
okay, can you turn your camera on? Miss
Yes.
Wade, question for you. Did you used to have a different last name?
Yes, Fleming.
Fleming, okay. All right, you
Yes,
have a
ma'am.
ticket warrant status that I'm gonna call as a part of this plea today, okay? If it is a plea or whatever we're doing, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Chanel Pam Wade. This is ticket SP 1410860. Count 1, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling in warrant status, ticket number SP 115095561. This is the people versus Chanel Pam Fleming. It's my understanding this is the same person. She had the same driver's license number that was in the system. Is that how you found it?
Yes.
Okay, all right. And this is one count, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to your staff. Ted Wallace on behalf of Ms. Wade, who is present via Zoom. Ms. Wade, state your name, please.
Yes, good morning.
Come on, state your name.
Chanel Wade.
Thank you, ma'am. I will proceed in counsel.
Your Honor, I have seen Ms. Wade's documents and would move to dismiss.
All right.
And also set aside the warrant.
This time the court's gonna enter a plea of not guilty and set aside the warrant that is out there. Being an officer of the court, having seen valid documents, the court is going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. Ma'am, make sure you always keep everything valid, up to date in your vehicle, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, if there's nothing further, Ms. Wade, you're all set, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You as well, thanks.
Thank you. Mr. Whitaker, you ready now?
Yes, I'm ready.
Fantastic. All right. Now calling the matter of the people. Now, Mr. Bachman, just so you know, I'm calling some stuff that's not on the docket for today, okay?
Understood.
Okay, now calling the matter of the people versus Jermaine Harris Whitaker Jr. This is ticket number SP 135750851. Open alcohol in the motor vehicle driver. U ticket 570591120. Narcotics and or drug related violation. Ticket number SP 1252538. Drove while license suspended. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Sir, state your name.
Jermaine Paris Whitaker Jr.
Your Honor, we will waive any more formal reading of the information complaint and stand mute for arraignment purposes. Ask the bench warrant be set aside and that the matter be set for a bench trial by Zoom. The defendant has been advised.
All right, sir, if that's what you want to do, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can put your hand down. Sir, did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Bachman about your case and about your rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
It's my understanding you want to have a waiver trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that right, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I'm going to set this for the date of September 11th. September 11th via Zoom, the same way you zoomed in, 9 a.m. I'll set your bond at $0 unless you paid money. Did you pay any money?
No, Your Honor.
All right, $0. Okay, I'll see you back September 11th for your trial. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Have a good day, sir.
You too.
I will. Thank you. I'll bring in Fatima Woodard. Ms. Woodard.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Fatima Woodard. This is ticket number SP 1358441. This is count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant. Ma'am, would you state your name for the record?
Fatima Woodard.
Thank you, Judge. We are asking for an adjournment of today's pretrial for compliance.
All right.
I ain't got no issue.
All right. Tell whoever that is that they are not a part of my court hearing, Ms. Woodard, and that they are going to mess up my record. Tell them I know they want to help you. I know they do. But tonight,
I was trying to tell them they won't, you wasn't driving, they won't me. I was driving, they won't you to take it. That's what I was trying to tell them. I mean, you get a ticket, I was driving.
excuse me, you're cussing on my record, sir.
Yeah.
Call couldn't tell me at my court.
Oh. I'm saying they want the person wrong ticket.
Man.
I was the one was driving, they want her a ticket.
Go on, man.
Hello?
Attorney Bachman, were they able to show you any insurance today?
No, Your Honor, we didn't have any documents. So this is why we wanted to set it for a pretrial. My understanding was we had one document, but not the other.
All right, so Ms. Woodard, it looks like you have your license right now based on the conversation of the intellectual person that was speaking just moments ago. All
Yes.
right, but I need the insurance as well, okay? We have to have both of it, okay?
Okay.
So we have to have both of it. And then once you provide that to me, then we'll be able to move forward, okay? So I'm gonna give you
Okay.
enough time to come up with that, okay?
Can I say something?
No,
Yeah.
this is not your hearing. No, thank you. She moved away for a reason, sir. I'm not blaming you, Ms. Woodard. You're okay, okay? Don't stress.
Okay.
You see how kind I am?
Yes, thank you.
I'm not taking it out on you. I know sometimes people just trying to help. I understand he's trying to help. He's just going about
Yes.
it the wrong. Okay, so it sounds like you have your license. Fantastic. Now I just
Thank
need you to
you.
get your insurance, okay?
Okay,
All right, Ms. Wood, I'm gonna give you plenty of time too. I'm gonna see you August 16th, okay? So that gives you more than enough time to get that together for me, okay?
okay, thank you.
You're so welcome. August 16th, 2023, 8:30 a.m. via Zoom. Sign back in. We'll pull your license. I know it's probably valid. And then just show us your copy of your insurance, okay?
Okay, I will.
All right, Ms. Woodard, you have a good day, okay?
You too. Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Take that smile off your face, Attorney Wallace. I saw. It's like a card stack. John Williams, right. I know. All right, I'm bringing in Jasmine Wright. Miss Wright?
I'm here.
Now following the matter of the people versus Jasmine Wright. This is ticket SP 1412187. Count 1, tinted windows. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Ted Wallace on behalf of Ms. Wright. Ms. Wright, please state your name for the record.
Jasmine Wright.
Your Honor, I have seen Ms. Wright's insurance papers, and after speaking with the city attorney, she has indicated that she's going to dismiss the other matter as well.
All right. Being an officer of the court, having seen valid docs, the court is going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. Ms. Wright, if the tint is on your windows, it was dismissed today, but I will get it removed or do whatever you need to do because they will fine you again, okay?
Okay, that's fine.
All right, there's nothing further. You're all set, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. I'm bringing DeAndre Wiley in.
Do I have to wait for anything else?
Nope, I was gonna say you can go ahead and log off, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome, okay? All right, Mr. Wiley? One on the docket and have several in warrant status, just whoever's doing this case.
Yes, ma'am.
You in a place where you're quiet enough?
I'm walking off the floor right now.
Okay, let me know when you get there. Just stop moving when you get there. Walk to it, okay? I'm gonna do a review real quick. Okay. Ms. Watkins? Ms. Watkins, did she do her,
Okay, I'm ready whenever you are, Your Honor.
all right. Now following the matter of the people versus DeAndre Ortiz Wiley. This is ticket number SP 1362543. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Currently in warrant status, we have tickets number SP 1220619. Count 1, improper plates. Count 2, drive unregistered, untitled vehicle. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket SP 1220225. Count 0625. I apologize. One count failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Ticket number SP 1227162. Count 1, improper plate. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, drove while license suspended. That's not. Ticket number SP 1246880. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, improper plate. Ticket number SP 1253796. Count 2, improper plate. Count 3, drove while license not valid or improper license, and ticket SP 7780273. Count 1, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman, P55052, on behalf of the defendant. Sir, Mr. Wiley, would you please state your name for the record?
DeAndre Wiley.
Judge, there's a recommendation here. I believe the defendant's intention is to plead guilty pursuant to that. I'm not sure if it's global, considering the number of cases the court called.
I'm pretty sure it's not, unfortunately.
Right, so I'd ask for another opportunity to speak to Mr. Wiley about the possibilities.
Okay,
Thank you.
all right. So Wiley, hold tight, see? When you have all these cases, we gotta pull them. Because otherwise,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
just gotta keep coming back over and over again. So you gotta be patient today, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
All right, Mr. Wiley, I'll be right with you. I'm gonna assign you to a breakout room, fresh breakout room, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right.
She'll find you.
I'm gonna do this review real quick. You can go in there though, Attorney Kaufman. I should be able to do it.
Okay,
If
Mr.
you-
Wiley, you should be able to go back to room 27. I see.
How do I do that?
Go to breakout rooms. It might be under more. All right.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Rena Watkins. This is ticket SP 1204068. This is one count drive unregistered untitled vehicle. This matter is here for a review today. She was to have done 24 hours of community service. Ma'am, can I have your name for the record, please? You, ma'am, Ms. Watkins. I may have pronounced your first name wrong. I apologize. Unmute yourself.
Oh, okay. Yes, Brene Watkins, and it's okay if you pronounce my name wrong. It's all right. Everybody does it. I can't
Ms.
see
Watkins.
anyone.
It's okay. It's probably because it's the way that your phone is on. So that if you swipe to the from right to left, you'll probably be able to see somebody. But ma'am, you haven't done your community service. What's going on?
I'm paying. I have a payment plan.
That you had to do community service for this one ticket. Is that not what we discussed?
No, I don't remember. That's what I was trying to speak to my attorney about. So I did get a ticket once before. I think it was back in 2021. They said that was already taken care of, and it was paid. I think it was like $40.
So I have notes on the back of my ticket that you were to do 24 hours of community service. That I dismissed count 2, and that a review was set for 5/18/2022. So it was set for a whole year ago. I don't know what happened to this ticket.
Me either, but
You got a ticket on June 7th for a show cause. All right. I don't know what's going on with this ticket. I have it written on the back of my ticket though, so I mean, that's what I ordered. February 18th of 2022, I ordered you to do 24 hours of community service.
right, I remember. You told me call this number and she'll take care of you. Yeah, because I haven't I don't be in court for tickets. I'm new with this. And yeah. I do remember, and I called, and I left a message and everything, and then the next thing I know, I get something in the mail. It says that everything was cleared. When I went down to the courthouse to make a payment plan, I asked, do I owe what all do I owe for? And they said just make a payment plan. I did, and so I just spoke with my attorney about it. We're trying to figure it out ourselves. So
All right, I'm gonna pass it over. Will you look up and see what my notes are on this one? It says that she was supposed to community service. Oh. If you want to look back. I wrote on the back. It should have. All right, I'm gonna have to recall that because the back of my ticket says something totally different from what you said, and I believe my ticket. So, and you called the lady, and
yeah, I did.
So I don't have that you did the community service, so I guess I'm confused.
Your Honor, I called, I left a message, and like I said, when I got, because what I'm in court for, on the 7th of June, I got 6 tickets in one day, and and when I went down to take care of that, I was trying to see about the other thing, because I never did hear back from anybody. I called, I left a message.
Ms. Watkins, it's a year later, beyond that. So now, one of the things, Ms. Watkins, about being a responsible adult is that if you don't hear back after a couple of weeks, you call back and you say, hey, I called. And then if you don't hear back, you come back on your date of May 18th of 2022. May 18th of 2022. And you say, you know what? I reached out and no one got back to me. I called 2 or 3 times. No one got back to me. No more talking, Ms. Watkins. We are at May 30th of 2023. May 30th, a whole year and some days later. So I'll see you on June 7th. I'm going to continue this to June 7th, and we'll figure it out that day. I know. We'll figure it out that day.
Your Honor, I don't know what happened. I thought everything was okay. Like I said, when I went down there for the 6 tickets I got that one time the police officer pulled me over, I inquired about that in the past, and they told me that it was nothing there and it was paid for, it was taken care of. And I was like, really? I don't get tickets. If you look at my record, you won't see me with no tickets. I'm not a person who get tickets. I've only been living here for 4 years.
June 7th, Ms. Watkins, I gave you orders and you told me that you followed part of the orders but didn't finish through, and that was a year ago. So I'm on set for today, Ms. Watkins, and I'm going to talk to you on June 7th with your other tickets, so I can figure out what happened, okay?
I asked the court, they told me everything was okay. I don't know, Charmaine.
All right, that concludes this hearing. Mr. Williams? Kevin Williams? Sorry about this, Attorney Wallace. I wish you told me earlier. I totally forgot.
That's all right.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Kevin Charles Williams. This is U ticket 636-77822. This is one count offer to engage the services of another for the act of prostitution. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ted Wallace, P80922 on behalf of Mr. Williams. Mr. Williams is present by Zoom. Mr. Williams, could you please take your phone off mute and state your name for the record?
Kevin Charles Williams.
All right, how are we proceeding, counsel?
Your Honor, I have spoken to Madam Prosecutor, and she has agreed to let Mr. Williams plead to a disorderly person.
Okay, you want to take advantage of that, sir?
Yes,
All right, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
yes.
All right, you can put your hand down, sir. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Not really.
You didn't talk to Attorney Wallace? You want to talk to him some more?
No, well, I talked to him. I know my rights and everything.
So why did you just say not really?
I thought you was talking about previously because I called the number that I was given, but I never got no call back.
Do you need more time to discuss this offer, sir?
No,
Okay, all right. Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for this plea today?
no,
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
yes,
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
yes,
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
yes,
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
yes,
All right, sir. I want to take your attention back to the day of October 20th of 2022, sir. Were you in the area of John R. and Remington Streets in the city of Detroit, sir?
yes,
And did you act in a disorderly manner or way in that area, sir?
yes,
Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
This court is satisfied as well and will enter one plea to disorderly conduct. Sir, there's a couple of things you have to do with this one. You have to have an HIV STI test. I don't have to know the results. You just have to do it, okay? You
yes.
also have to attend a misdemeanor morality class. I'm gonna give you a phone number. They're gonna tell you how to do it, okay?
All right.
And you have to, did she say community service or no, Attorney Wallace?
She did, Your Honor. It was on 10 hours.
10 hours of community service. That's gonna be the same number I give you, okay? And my $300 fine. I'm gonna give you 3 months though. Is 3 months gonna be enough time to do all this or do you need more time?
No, that's enough.
Okay, so I'm gonna give you until August 30th to have this completed. You ready to take the number down?
Yes.
313 965 8130. Okay,
Yes.
she's gonna tell you how to take the class and how to do the 10 hours of community service. Okay,
All right.
all right. If there's nothing else, you're all set. Okay,
All right. Thank you.
thank you, Mr. Williams. Good luck to you.
All right.
All right. All right.
I can hang up.
You
Yes,
can
sir.
hang up, okay?
All right. Thank you.
All right. After I do this person, I'm gonna make my screen mass chaos, so just be patient. I'm gonna do this person real quick, because I'm gonna close down the breakout rooms, and I'm gonna bring folks in from outside. Malika, with all?
Yes, Michaela.
Michaela, thank you. Now calling the matter of people, this is Michaela Princess Worthall. This is ticket number SP 1411025, count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle, count 2, no proof of insurance. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please the court, Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant. Would you state your name for the record?
Michaela Walter.
Your Honor, I did pick up 2 additional cases. May I read them onto the record?
You may.
They are SX 4185272, counts 1 and 2. They are for no insurance and expired plate respectively. The defendant would ask that any warrant in those cases be set aside, any default be set aside, and that they be made a part of today's compliance dismissal, as the defendant has current and valid insurance and registration, Your Honor. I have forwarded those to Corporation Counsel and would stipulate to probable cause for dismissal of all the cases. Actually, I sent those to Ms. Cole, Wayne County
Okay.
Prosecutor.
All right. Being a court officer, having now seen valid documentation, the court's going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. Ms. Worthall, let me suggest to you that you always keep all those documents valid, up to date in your vehicle. All right, they'll suspend your license sometimes if you don't have them up to date. So you want to make sure you always have them up to date, okay?
Okay.
All right, there's nothing further. You're
Thank
all
you.
set. Okay? You're welcome. All right, I'm gonna close the rooms and bring everybody
Oh,
in. All right. Everybody put yourself on mute until I call your case. Put yourself on mute till I call your case, okay? We got a heavy docket and I just want y'all to see that we're working. It's just taking some time because I still got a ton of people left to do. So we're gonna start taking these folks and getting you out of here, okay? Just be patient.
Hello?
Hello, yes, phone. What's your name?
This is Carolyn Wethington. I was on my boss's computer. I'm gonna have to get off of it
Okay.
and use this phone here.
That's fine, Miss Wethington, okay? Just put *6 on your phone until I call you, okay?
Put
Yeah,
*6 right now.
Okay, yes. Just
Oh, you'll
press,
call me back?
No, just keep on here, Miss Wethington. Just stay just like that, okay? I'm gonna call your matter, okay? All right, everybody else put yourself on mute till I call your case, okay?
Stay right. Get off the computer, but hold my phone.
Miss Wethington, you good? You're on 2 devices, you know that, right? Get off your.
Say that again.
You're on 2 devices. I'm gonna remove you from one of the devices, not the phone one, so stay on the phone, okay?
Gotcha. Okay, I will. I think you came to my church one time.
I may have, Miss Withington. Go to a
Galilee.
That's my church. I attend there. That's why.
I knew you looked familiar.
I attend church. Yes, Miss Withington. We gotta be easy though, because I gotta get through this docket. All right, we can't have a lot of conversation. All right.
Okay, gotcha. I'm finna go get out of her office.
You good. I got you rid of that one. Just hold tight right here, okay?
Okay, but I can leave out of her office.
Oh yeah, okay. All right. Who has her case? Miss Wethington.
That's Mr. Wallace.
Yes, hello?
Hold on, sir. Hold on. Everybody put yourself on mute. I keep putting you on mute. That's the judge. She's putting you on mute because I'm trying to handle all the people. You can't see everybody on the screen, but I can, and it's a lot of people still. I'm working hard to try and get y'all out of here, but I just decided to bring everyone in here so you can see what we're doing. I'm gonna try and run through this as quickly as possible, but I got a ton of people on, so you just gotta be patient, okay? All right.
Ms. Watkins, you're free to leave, Ms. Watkins.
That's not mine.
No.
Ms. Watkins, you are free to leave.
That one's not mine, Mr. Bogman.
Okay. Is Wellington yours, Attorney Baldwin?
No.
Oh, man.
So I'll pick it up.
I'm killing you. Okay.
I think.
Create a few breakout rooms. All right, I'm gonna put y'all into Attorney Baldwin. I just want to I'm gonna put on a record that we go to the same church, so I just want to make sure. I put her in room number 1. Put yourself in room number 1.
I'm looking on the docket for this individual. Oh, I see it.
Okay.
Understood.
All right, cool. All right, I'll keep going. You have James Wells, Attorney Wallace?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, go ahead, unmute yourself, Mr. Wells, and sit up for me, sir. All right, there you go.
Yeah.
Now calling the matter of People versus James Wells. This is ticket SP 1288774. No insurance misdemeanor. Count 2 on that same ticket is no operator's license on person. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Ted Wallace on behalf of Mr. Wells. Mr. Wells, please state your name for the record.
James Wells.
Your Honor, Mr. Wells would like a new pre-trial date.
All right, sir. I want to give you the date of August 16th. That should give you plenty of time to get everything in order. August 16th at 8:30 a.m.
Okay.
Okay? I'll set your bond at $0. That gives you plenty of time. Okay, Mr. Wells?
Okay, thank you. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. All right, if there's nothing further, bond set at $0, 8:30 a.m. That's August 16th. August 16th, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Better.
All right, you're all set.
Kenneth West is another one. I think that's up for a trial.
What?
Okay. All right, Mr. West.
I know.
Does the officer check in?
I'm waiting on the judge. Might go back. You go back to court eventually.
Please put yourself on mute until I'm ready to call your case, okay? I don't want to hear all your conversations with who's ever in your room. That's not gonna be a good look for you, y'all. It never turns out well. I'll stop and listen. All right. Mr. West, he did not.
He didn't.
All right, now calling the matter of People versus Kenneth Edgar West Jr. This is ticket SP 1239349. Count 1, reckless driving. Count 2, drive unregistered, untitled vehicle. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Ted Wallace on behalf of Mr. Kenneth West. Mr. West, please state your name for the record.
Kenneth West.
Your Honor, today's the date and time scheduled for Mr. West to have a trial in this matter, and I don't believe any officers have checked in and therefore would move to dismiss.
All right, the time is now 11:50 a.m. No officers having checked into this matter. The court's going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. So they can refile this if they want to, but as of today, you're all set, okay?
Okay.
All right, have a good day.
You too. Thank you, Your Honor.
Oh, thank you. All right, who else do you have on the screen?
I have Walter Willis. Oh, let's see. See what it was.
You said Walter Willis.
That was the one that said he should have.
Oh, we gave him a new date. You're all set on him. Who else do you have?
Rhoda Wright.
Okay, Ms. Wright, you can unmute yourself. See how to do it, Ms. Wright? There you go, I'm asking you.
Can you hear me?
I can now, ma'am, okay?
Okay, yes.
Now calling the matter of the People versus Rhoda Wright. This is ticket number SP 1439375. Count 1, 16 to 20 miles over posted speed. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Ted Wallace on behalf of Ms. Wright. Ms. Wright, please state your name for the record.
Rhoda Rochelle Wright.
Your Honor, I have spoken with Madam City Attorney, and she has given an offer for Ms. Wright to plead to 1 to 5 over, limited access 1 to 5 over.
All right, ma'am, you want to take advantage of that?
Yes.
All right. Stipulate to the 4 corners of the,
So stipulated.
stipulate to the 4 corners of the ticket in order to establish a factual basis. I'm sorry, I lost track.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so at this time, the court's going to enter an amended plea of responsible to 1 to 5 over limited access speed. Ma'am, that's a no points offense, okay? From a 3-point offense, I believe, okay?
Okay, thank
All
you.
right. You're welcome. The fine is going to be $125. Typically, you have 14 days to pay civil infractions. Is that going to be enough time for you?
Yes, I can pay it Friday.
Okay, so I have it due no later than June 13th, 2023, okay?
Okay.
All right, you're all set, Ms. Wright. Thank you for your patience.
Where would I pay it at?
So you can either go online to 36districtcourt.org and pay it there, or you can physically come down to the court. We're open on the first floor.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Yep, you can come down here. We're open. We're just, traffic division is not open right now because it's easier to do it this way, okay?
Okay. Thank you so much. Y'all have a wonderful day.
Thank you so much. Attorney Wallace, did you have anybody else up here before I go on with Attorney Kaufman?
I do, Your Honor. I have John Williams.
Okay. John Williams, you can unmute yourself for me, sir.
How you doing?
I'm fine, thank you. Now calling the matter of the people versus John Williams. This is ticket SP 1439029, count 1, disregard signal red or amber. Count 2, fail to use seatbelt assembly system effectively. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Ted Wallace on behalf of Mr. Williams. Mr. Williams, please state your name for the record.
John Williams.
All right, counsel, how are we proceeding with them?
Your Honor, I have spoken with Madam Prosecutor, and she is extended an offer for Mr. Williams to plead to the seatbelt charge and dismissing the other count.
All right, sir, you want to take advantage of that offer today?
Yes.
All right. Counsel, do you stipulate to the four corners of the ticket in order to establish a factual basis?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to fail to use seatbelt assembly system effectively. The remaining ticket of disregard signal red or amber will be dismissed. Sir, that fine is $65. Typically, you have 14 days to pay civil infractions. Is that enough time?
Yes.
All right, sir. It's going to be due no later than June 13th of 2023, okay?
Okay.
All right. If there's nothing further, you're all set. Thank you so much.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. All right. All right. All right. Attorney Huffman, Bossman, sorry. Mr. Winfrey, I'm not answering you because I put your head down several times. You have on a do-rag, okay? I don't know what you need to do right now, but you're not even ready for court, and you keep putting your hand up in the air. What do you need, Mr. Winfrey? Now I got to stop what I'm doing to find out what you need. What you need?
I'm sorry about that. I was already in court, whatever. I had my do-rag on because I returned back to work. My phone had went dead in the middle of being waiting. I had spoke with the attorney, spoke with you. I was really just waiting on my date to return.
All right, Mr. Winfrey, like everybody else, do you not hear me going through court right now, Mr. Winfrey? You think I'm sitting up here twiddling my thumbs right now? Do you not hear me sitting up here talking to
What was
people?
going on?
Mr. Winfrey, I'm gonna call everybody. Can you just have a little patience with me this morning, please?
No, I can do that. That's no problem. I just wanted to make sure that you were aware of what's going on after my phone went dead. That's all.
Mr. Winfrey, I let everybody in my courtroom. I let people in late, and my staff is so mad at me because I've been trying to accommodate everybody. I am not gonna miss you. I am not gonna log off. But now I could have been doing a whole other person, and I'm talking to you instead. So now I don't waste.
I just want to make sure everything was clear. That's all.
About everything and seeing what life is, how life is outside this building right now. Sunshine and Attorney Wallace looking at me crazy because he knows I'm battling at this point in time. All right, Attorney Bossman, you're next. Who you got for me?
DeAndre Wiley, unmute your microphone, please.
All right, Mr. Wiley, let's go. All right, recalling the matters of the people versus DeAndre Wiley. These matters were called in total earlier today. We stopped for a moment so that counsel could be able to speak with Mr. Wiley. Counsel, can you state your name for the record, please?
Harry Bachman for the defendant, sir. Again, state your name. You're on mute.
You're on mute, Mr. Wiley.
DeAndre
Go,
Wiley.
say your name.
DeAndre Wiley.
Thank you
so much.
Can you give us a pre-trial date? The defendant needs to gain some focus. He's been advised as to how to go to Secretary of State and get a better idea of what cases he needs to resolve, not only here, but elsewhere. So please, another pre-trial date.
I'll see you back. Mr. Winfield is all on my session. Sir, I'm gonna have you come back on August 16th, 2023. August 16th, 2023 at 8:30 a.m., okay? Follow whatever instructions Attorney Kaufman gave you, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, if there's nothing further, you're all set, sir. You can log off.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, Attorney Kaufman, I'll do another one of yours.
We are now ready on Carolyn Wethington.
Okay. Ms. Wethington, press *6 on your phone, please. All right, there we go. Now calling the matter of People versus Carolyn Wethington. This is ticket number SP 1439490. This is one count driving wrong way on one-way street. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Ma'am, state your name.
Carolyn Wethington.
Judge, the defendant has been advised, we're going to need the officer present for any sort of resolution. Would you set this matter for a trial date, a bench trial date by Zoom?
It's gonna be a formal hearing, isn't it?
That'll be fine.
Okay, all right. All right, and just for the record, with Ms. Wethington and myself go to the same church. I believe she stated it on the record. Counsel, do you have any problems with me still handling this matter?
No motion with regard to unfairness and partiality. I don't think you have a bone like that in your body, Your Honor.
Thank you. I appreciate it. I just want to make sure that it's put on the record so nobody knows or says anything. All right, let me put this for. All right, I'm gonna set this for a date of July 17th, okay? July 17th. It's gonna be at 9 a.m. via Zoom. Ms. Wethington, try and sign back on via Zoom the way that I can see you. I understand why you had to do this for now, but try and do it at 9 a.m., okay? I'll set this for a hearing. Okay.
Okay.
All right. If there's nothing further, you're all set, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
I will.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Mr. Winfrey? Richard Winfrey? All right. Now he got that. Can you hear me?
Yeah, sorry, having trouble unmuting my phone.
There you go. All right. Now calling the matter of People versus Richard Christopher Winfrey. This is ticket SP 1061231. Count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Ticket number SP 1114969. Count 1, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, drove while license not valid or improper. Ticket number SP 1114978. One count, open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver. Ticket number SP 1151554. Count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Count 2, careless driving. Ticket number SP 1241539. One count, drove while license not valid or improper license. Ticket number SP 1287414. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver. And ticket number SP 1054640. One count, drove while license suspended. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Ted Wallace, P80922, on behalf of Mr. Richard Winfrey. Mr. Winfrey, please state your name for the record.
Richard Winfrey.
Counsel, how are we moving forward today?
Your Honor, Mr. Winfrey would like to set a bench trial date.
All right, sir. You please raise your right hand for me. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
All right, if you can put your hand down. Sir, did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Correct. I have already.
All right, and it's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct, sir?
Correct.
All right, the court's going to enter a plea of not guilty on behalf of your client if I didn't already state so. And I'm going to set his bond at $0 unless he's paid money on all of them. Okay, sir, your trial date is going to be September 11th, okay? September the 11th at 9 a.m. I'm going to set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
Okay.
Gives you plenty of time to do what you need to do, okay? To be all right?
Okay. And you said I heard the date and time. This is the same courtroom, like same process as far as entering the Zoom, right?
Same courtroom, same process, so it's gonna be via Zoom, the same way you came on today, okay? Unless you get other notification in the mail that says so, we're still gonna do our stuff via Zoom, same information and everything. So the 360-337-0000 still will work, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, good luck to you, sir. I'll see you then, okay?
Okay, I'll see you. Have a good one.
You too, thank you. Raphael Wheeler?
I'm safe to leave now, right?
Yes.
Yes, you're good to leave now, sir. You're all set. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
Yes.
All right. Do I have the person on who did him? Okay, now calling the matter of the people versus Raphael Wheeler. This is ticket SP 1296129, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please. Did no one talk to him? Did you get spoken to by anybody, Mr. Wheeler?
No, ma'am.
Okay, sir, today is the date and time set for a no insurance misdemeanor. That carries up to a 90-day possible penalty in prison, jail. I don't do that. Up to a $500 fine. Do you have insurance now, sir, or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I see it, please?
Okay, I'm in. Okay. I would have to go online. Can I show you my license plates in my car?
No, because I can't look up a license plate to the car. I have to actually see the insurance.
I'm so sorry. I did it through Progressive and I did it through like online, and then they sent me like my thing online, and I wasn't prepared to come to court with that today.
What you thought you was coming to court to do today?
To tell the court on my birthday that man falsely pulled me over because he pulled me over for no tint.
Okay.
For having
Okay. So
tinted
before
windows.
you continue to talk, do you want to dispute this and have a bench or a jury trial instead?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. So raise your right hand.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right,
help me
sir.
God.
So help you God. All right. Did you have an opportunity? You did not have an opportunity to speak with an attorney, but I promise on the day of your trial, you'll have the opportunity to speak with an attorney. They're going to advise you of all of your rights. You have the right, obviously, to have a jury trial. That's with 6 members of the community of the city of Detroit, or a bench trial. The bench trial is before myself as the trier and finder of fact. You can spend up to 90 days in jail for misdemeanors. You can spend up to a $500 fine for misdemeanors, okay? If you bring in your insurance, the court will look at that and they'll show it. The attorney will show it to the prosecuting attorney, and usually they'll be able to work something out. Also, the officer will have to come on the day of the trial. Sounds like you want to have a trial. Do you want to have a bench trial before me, or you want a jury trial?
I'll do a bench trial.
Okay, that date for the bench trial is going to be September 11th, okay? September 11th. All right, you also have a ticket which is in default right now. Counsel, Bachman, can you make a motion for me, please?
Move to set aside the default, Your Honor.
All right, so at this time, the court is going to set aside the default on the tinted windows, and I'm going to place everything on the bench trial on the date of September 11th, 2023 at 9 a.m. It's going to be via Zoom, sir. The same way you zoomed in today, zoom in on that day, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, if there's nothing further, Mr. Wheeler, you're all set, okay?
Okie dokie.
All right, have a good day.
You too.
I will, thank you. Mr. Robert Washington.
Try though.
All right, now calling the matter. Oh, now your internet is acting up. You got to watch yourself, okay?
I'm sorry, I'm trying to get outside right now.
It's okay. I'm giving you a moment, Mr. Washington. I know you've been waiting patiently. I'm gonna wait for you too. Mr. Zazo, I see you. Hold on 1 second for me, okay? Put yourself on mute. I'll get you in a moment, Attorney Zazo.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, I'm ready.
All right, now calling the matters of the people versus Robert Washington Jr. This is ticket number 732375. Count 1, no operator's license on person. Count 2, unregistered motor vehicle. Ticket number SP 1199255. Count 1, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Ticket SP 1319526. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. And ticket SP 1330103. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Sir, state your name, Mr. Washington.
I'm Robert Washington Jr.
Thank you, Judge. We will waive any more formal reading of the information and complaint and stand mute and ask for a waiver trial date by Zoom, please.
All right, sir. If you want to take a waiver trial, please raise your right hand.
I want to question how far out is it gonna be September? Because that's so far away. I'd rather get it out the way today instead of waiting for September to drive with a keep.
Mr. Washington, I got long dates because I've packed stuff. Did you enjoy waiting this long today in court?
No, ma'am.
All right.
That's why I don't want to come back. That's why I would rather get it out the way today, so I don't.
But you're going to have to admit to something. So you're still going to have to wait even longer. So do you want to have a bench trial? I can try and find you a sooner date, but I don't know what that date's going to look like either, just so you know.
Yeah, let's do the bench trial. Let's do the bench trial.
Okay. How about July 17th? That's a little sooner than my August date, or my September date. Yes, Mr. Washington, I see your hand raised.
Okay, that worked. Oh, I thought you said raise your right hand or something. My bad.
Oh, yes, I did, but then you started talking. So I done lost track, Mr. Washington. You see what happens when people start asking me questions in the midst of stuff? Raise your right hand, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, put your hand down. Mr. Washington, did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
It's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's or waiver trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of fact. Is that correct, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'm gonna have to come back July 17th, okay? July 17th at 9 a.m. If you didn't pay any bond money, I'll put your bonds at $0, okay?
Okay.
All right, that's as soon as I can get you, and we're gonna pray that's a great day, because I don't know, sir, okay?
Yeah, sounds good for now. July the 17th.
All right, I'll
What
see you
time
then,
is that?
okay, sir? It's a Monday.
Monday, July 17th, 8:30 a.m. again.
That's right. Do Mondays work okay, or do you want a different day of the week?
Oh, no, that's cool. That's the earliest. That's the best one.
All right, sir. All right, fantastic. I'll see you then, okay, sir?
Thank you. I appreciate your time today.
You're welcome. Oh, thank you so much. I appreciate you, Mr. Washington. Have a good day. All right. All right. Attorney Zazo, do you have something up this afternoon that you want to discuss? What's going on?
No, I don't, Your Honor. I just wanted to know how to reach County Prosecutor Paula.
I'll check you that information. She's working from home today. She did send me a text, so I'll send that information to you, Attorney Oslo, right now by chat.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
Fantastic. Thank you, Attorney Hoffman. I appreciate that. All right.
All right. Thank you.
On.
Bye. Yeah.
You're welcome. Okay, hold on tight though, so he can be, are you gonna text him or what? Okay, you got his phone number?
I'm gonna have to whip that up. Okay.
I tried to get him not to sign off. I'll get it for you. Okay, all right.
I get his number.
Okay, Mr. Weathersby. All right, now calling the matter of the people versus Darrell Eugene Weathersby. This is case number 0535626. One count operating while intoxicated, repeat offender. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good afternoon, Ted Wallace on behalf of Mr. Weathersby. Mr. Weathersby, please state your name for the record. Your Honor, after speaking with Mr. Weathersby, I believe he's going to need an attorney assigned to him and another pretrial date.
Okay. I see he may. It's a 07 case, but it's an operating while intoxicated. You know, they don't dismiss those until they try and have a case. All right. All right. I had set this for another pre-trial, but I do it sooner. So I want to get counsel assigned. Okay. June 21st. I don't know what time we didn't put a ton of stuff on. June.
You don't have any trial.
I ain't gonna put it at the trial. Pre-trial.
Yeah, 12.
Pardon my interruption. I for some reason can't complete a bar journal search for Mr. Zosel. Is it ZOSEL?
ZOSEL, yeah, I believe so.
And his first name is Paul.
Oh, yeah. If not, let me look on my little sheet too. I might be able to text you his number.
Thank you.
We have a sheet. Okay. All right. Sir, I'm gonna have you come back on.
Yeah.
All right, so I'm gonna have you come back on. June 14th. This is just to see if we can get you counsel. Now I need you to call the courtroom so I can get some important information from you so we can get counsel assigned, okay?
You said you need me June 14th
Yep.
to appear for counsel.
No, I
And
need
we
you to
doing
call.
this Zoom coming down.
It's via Zoom, but I need you to call
Huh?
the court in the meantime. So you're gonna come back on June 14th so I can make sure counsel is assigned to you.
And you need me to call the court and ask for what?
Now you gotta give us information, right? Because you don't want to give your phone number and your address over Zoom so everybody knows your business, do you?
So who am I asking for when I call is the question.
You're gonna call directly to my courtroom and my clerk is going to pick up and you're gonna talk to her. Now, if you want to get your own counsel,
Okay.
I'm more than happy to allow you to do so, sir. But if you want us to provide you with counsel, you have to get some information.
I don't know your phone, so I need a phone number.
I'm going to give that to you, Mr. Weathersby.
Okay.
Can you take it down? You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, 313
Okay.
965
Okay.
2293.
All right.
Okay. All right, give us a call. We're gonna have a
call
pre. Yep, call that number. We're gonna have a pre-trial. Huh?
So call this number when we hang up.
Yep, call this number when you hang up.
Okay.
Okay, all right, that concludes this hearing. Bond is continued at $100. Please pay the cash bond of $100. Bonds continued.
Okay.
Okay. All right. All right, you're all set, sir.
All right. Shit, I hang up.
Yep, you can just hang up. Emmanuel Wimbush. Mr. Wimbush? No, he's been here for a while. But you may have to-
Yes.
All right. We lost a couple of soldiers too. I don't know where they went. I'll ask you at the end.
Okay, I turned the phone.
Wimbush, next time for court, you may want to put something over your shoulders.
Okay, I thought so. I wasn't sure.
All right, now calling the matter of People versus Emmanuel Wimbush. This is Z ticket 808830. This is one count of operating while intoxicated. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good afternoon, Ted Wallace on behalf of Mr. Wimbush. Mr. Wimbush, please state your name for the record.
Emmanuel Wimbush.
All right, counsel, how are we proceeding?
Mr. Wimbush is going to need an attorney and a new pretrial date, Your Honor.
All right, so I'm giving you the same pretrial date. That's gonna be June 14th. June 14th at 8:30 a.m. I need you to call our courtroom though, so I can get the information, so I can get counsel assigned to you. Did you have the number?
I did. I heard you say to the last gentleman.
Okay, so call that number so we can get some information from you, okay? So we can get you counsel assigned, okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, no problem. Thank you so much.
All right. All right, this time your bond's gonna be set at $0 personal, sir. No driving unless you have the ability to drive through a temporary license, okay? Because all your tickets are gonna come through me, Mr. Wimbush, so I'm gonna know if you drive or not.
Oh, wait. So wait. When they gave me paperwork, it said I was allowed to drive.
Yep, so you just have to follow that, okay?
Oh, okay. I just want to make sure I'm okay.
Yep. Just saying, because some people aren't given paperwork, so if they're not given paperwork, they can't drive. So if you have the paperwork, make sure you keep it with you at all times so that you don't get any tickets, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, if there's nothing further, I'll see you back for your court date next month on the 14th. Call the courtroom though now so we can get the information to get counsel assigned to you, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, if there's nothing further. That concludes.
Thank you.
You're welcome.